Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, due to a change in the schedule, we will be presenting one award today to His Excellency Ambassador Octo Dorinus Mani. We thank you for your understanding regarding this adjustment to the program. We shall now commence the ceremony with the official reading of the decree law for this award.
Decreto do Presidente da República número 28/2026. Condecoração do Embaixador da República da Indonésia, Sr. Octo Dorinus Mani, com o colar da Ordem de Timor-Leste. Considerando a importância da Ordem de Timor-Leste, instituída pelo Decreto-Lei número 20/2009, de 6 de maio, como uma forma de reconhecer o mérito e a dedicação daqueles nacionais e estrangeiros que em suas atividades profissionais, sociais ou mesmo em atos espontâneos de heroísmo ou altruísmo tenham contribuído significativamente para o bem de Timor-Leste, dos timorenses ou da humanidade. No contexto das relações entre Estados visando promover a amizade entre os povos são fundamentais para a paz, a estabilidade nacional e o desenvolvimento de Timor-Leste. Reconhecendo os serviços prestados pelo Embaixador da República da Indonésia, Sr. Octo Dorinus Mani, cujos esforços beneficiaram muitos timorenses ao longo dos anos, merecendo ser conhecidos e valorizados pelo Estado. Face ao exposto, o Presidente da República, nos termos da Constituição da República Democrática de Timor-Leste, conjugando o artigo 2 do Decreto-Lei nº 20/2009, de 6 de maio, decreta: é condecorado o excelentíssimo Embaixador da Indonésia, Sr. Octo Dorinus Mani, com o colar da Ordem de Timor-Leste. Publica-se o Presidente da República, José Ramos Horta, assinado no Palácio Presidencial Nicolau Lobato Dili, no dia 6 de março de 2026.
I now respectfully invite His Excellency Ambassador Octo Dorinus Mani to join us here at the front. I have the honor to invite His Excellency the President of the Republic, José Ramos Horta, to bestow the collar of the Order of Timor-Leste upon His Excellency Octo Dorinus Mani, Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Republic of Indonesia to the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste. May I respectfully invite the spouse of His Excellency to join the Ambassador for a family portrait. Also, I invite the Chief of Staff to step forward. Also, invite the delegations from the Indonesia Embassy to join His Excellency the President and His Excellency the Ambassador for a group photo. May I also invite personal advisor Larry Anantimur. For our last session, Indonesian community.
Bisa maju lagi. Ya.
And His Excellency Ambassador Manny to the podium to deliver his remarks.
Wait, akhir betul. Ini yang masuk ikut.
His Excellency Bapak Presiden Jose Ramsota, Vice Minister Ibu Nina, Bapak Rere, Chief of Staff, Bu Maria, my colleague Excellency Ambassador, Korps Diplomatik, teman-teman saya dari Indonesia Community, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Bom dia, Bayi Tahutu. It is a great honor for me to receive this award from Excellency Bapak Presiden Ramsota. Thank you, Pak Presiden. Completing my service for 4 years and 3 or 4 months in Timor-Leste with such meaningful recognition feel like a true blessing. This award does not belong to me alone. It belongs to everyone who has worked tirelessly alongside me. It also shows that friendship and cooperation between Indonesia and Timor-Leste is strong and bring real benefit to the people of both our nation. I wish to express deeply grateful to the government of Timor-Leste for its warm and close cooperation, to close friendship, Bapak Presiden Ramsota, my mentor as well. Thank you for your friendship, your trust. More than just a leader, you have been a true for me, making me feel free, welcome in this beautiful country. My heartfelt also thank you to my team Indonesian Embassy, teman-teman Embassy. Your heart and dedication have been the backbone of my strong ties between. I also special thanks to the Indonesian community here, and also Indonesian company here, Telkomsel, BRI, and banyak pengusaha swasta sini, and also pastor here, Pak Binsar, Pak Afif, dari kumpulan Manado, dan teman-teman yang tidak. Thank you also for our close friend at the President Office, Ambassador Vicky, Henrique, Graciela, and also ISO Security and Protocol Officer here. We are very close, sangat dekat dengan teman-teman di sini. Again, thank you for all your kind support for me and Indonesian Embassy. In a short time, I will be moving to my next assignment in Papua New Guinea. So, however, our heart. My experience here gone far beyond professional duty. I have found friends who have become like family here. I sincerely hope that the friendship and cooperation between Indonesia and Timor-Leste will continue grow even stronger in the future. May God bless Indonesia and Timor-Leste. Maroma Probensaun Bahitahotu. Obrigado.
Thank you, Your Excellency, for those meaningful remarks. Excellency, the distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your distinguished presence here today. With this, our ceremony is officially concluded. On behalf of His Excellency, the President of the Republic, I'm honored to invite you all to a commemorative and farewell reception. Please kindly follow the protocol officers who will lead the way. Thank you.